Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Cisco started their hiring for freshers from qualification of BTech from computer science and IT with a CGPA of 8%. So don't skip the video, watch the video till end. It is only for BTech students from higher universities only. They are open their slot for 2019 to 2024. 23 and 24 can apply. In future they will contact you if your profile is shortlisted or they need a job from the recruitment. They can contact you. Just to create account in Cisco company hiring and your resume is shortlisted, they will contact your mail with the exam, and it will be helpful for you to write the exam from work from home mode itself. After selection only you will hire to Bangalore. So don't miss this good opportunity. Share to your friends as much you can. It will be helpful for you in future. They are looking for a good skill in excellent communication, fluency in English, problem solving, comfortable in fast-paced learning, collaborative term detailing, good knowledge in C, C++, Java, Python, MongoDB, database, algorithm. These are all the things they are looking from a student. These are all basic for computer and CS IT. If you are going to work in IT, this is all the basic thing to learn. So if you have any doubt while filling in this form, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel. You can apply their own website. Don't go for any agencies, they will cheat you. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, comment me. Thanks for watching.